All right, look at this 1964 Plymouth Fury. That thing's clean. Man, not bad. I wonder if it actually goes on the road on this one. 426 Max Wedge. But looks like it says it's a 440 Tribute Max Wedge built in dyno test. Not bad. Woo, there it is. Yeah, it's a 426. Look at that thing. 2 carbs. This thing's a beast. This thing is a beast cruiser. Would love to hear it start. I guess you'd have to wait for the end of the show to even try to do that, but at the end of this is Motorama 2025 we were at, and yeah, driving in and driving out, everyone's got their motors on. But look at that trunk. You don't got those trunks nowadays. Beautiful car, beautiful car. Phenomenal. Lots of work and love on this one. Look at that interior. Oh, my man. That is approved right there. Look at that. That's awesome. Love the engine though. Love the engine.